Don't know if you can see, but yeah, you can actually. You can just about make out where the overspray's gone on the bearing, where the bearing goes there, the cone. So I'm gonna get that off before I do anything else, so I can get some grease on it. Right, so bolts on the stand, engine and frames on the stand. Sorry, engine bolts are done up. I've put some clamps on the stand here so it doesn't fall over. I haven't got the forks yet. The forks and a rear shock I've sent into specialists to get them done, because I'll show you a clip or you can follow in, I'm not sure. The rear shock had no hydrogen in it, so I had to figure out what was wrong with that. That was what was wrong with that. When I took the forks out, they were at different heights. When you stood them up, there was about half-inch difference on them, so I was going to do it myself, but on that sort of thing, probably best off leaving it to someone who does it for a living, and he can set it up properly for me. So that's what I'm going to do. Hopefully the forks will be ready to pick up this weekend. Watch this space on that. I just noticed actually in the where the triple tree goes, the powder coat has got a little bit of stuff in there, so I'm just going to clean them off, and then I'm going to get the clamps on. Right, so bolts on the stand, engine and frames on the stand, sorry. Engine bolts are done up. I've put some clamps on the stand here so it doesn't fall over. I haven't got the forks yet. The forks and a rear shock I've sent into specialists to get them done, because I'll show you a clip or you can follow in, I'm not sure. The rear shock had no hydrogen in it, so I had to figure out what was wrong with that. That was what was wrong with that. So this is my weapon of choice for removal of the crap in that headstock. It's basically, it's not a Dremel, it's a Ryobi, so it's a cheap version of it. Chuck's a little bit knackered actually, but I've botched it so it still holds the bits and pieces. These Scotch Brite pads, you can go on eBay, you can get about 50 for about £6. But I found a place that do 100. I think they're probably from China, but I don't care. So it means waiting a little while for them. 100 for about maybe £10, something like that. But there's all different levels of scratchiness, abrasiveness, depending on the colour. But this should be good for getting this off. Right, so I've cleaned this up ready. I've also degreased everything, so I'm going to have to put the grease back in the bearings. I've no doubt that someone's going to tell me that's the wrong stuff, but that's what I've got, so that's what I'm using. first. Cap with a seal on. Castle washer. Castle nut, sorry. Ugh. Reference that castle nut. I haven't got a tool that fits that properly. I got that off using a punch and a hammer, and to be honest with you, that's probably how I'm going to do it up if I can't think of anything else. Let's have a look. Let's see if the giant mole grips do the trick. I meant to buy one of them, but forgot. Okay, that works. I would suggest that it's not very tight anyway. You only do it as much as you can feel the bearings not notching, I'm presuming. I'm going to assume that the top clamp will actually hold it tight, so that looks like it's hand tight actually. Anything else seems to be a bit notchy. Right, this is only going to be hand tight at the moment because I haven't got the forks to go in, and I want them lined up. It's no good doing it up if they're out of line like that. Just got to remember to do it up. So that's it so far.